558 Tam O Shanter. So the golf course is right here. Lots of really beautiful, sorry, flowers. You have your mailbox right at your front door. The doorbell worked. Laminate flooring, white walls. We'd replace that with the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Really nice high baseboards. Beautiful counters. Love it. And you have your little courtyard here, or whatever you want to call that. Modern cabinets. You need a fridge, obviously. I would replace that blind with a 2.5-inch faux wood and get that replaced, that exhaust fan, with something a little less noisy. This is a very low sitting toilet. I'm not sure if it matters. I'm just pointing it out. Yeah, okay. Maybe recock that. It doesn't look terrible. It may be cleaned up after a good janitorial. This one's a little hard to open, I think, because of the carpet. Carpet looks like it's in really good condition, though. It's your furnace. Replace those blinds. Beautiful counters. Need a shower rod. Love the wide plank tiles. Carpet still looks good. You have built-ins. You don't have a fan, but that's $165 if you want to add that. You totally don't have to. Replace those blinds as well. And these, wow, it's huge. So I would use this as a master because it's got this little patio here. And nice large closet with built-ins.